Tired of sending emails into the void and wondering if anyone's actually reading them? I'm about to show you how to unlock the power of Kvcore and see exactly who's opening your emails, so you can focus on the leads that are actually engaging. First, log into your Kvcore dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the Marketing tab on the left-hand side of your screen. From the Marketing drop-down, select Smart Campaigns. Even if you're not using Smart Campaigns, this is where the email analytics reside. Now, look for and click on the Send Emails tab, usually located near the top of the page. This is where you'll find a comprehensive list of all the emails you've sent through Kvcore. Scroll through the list to find the specific email campaign or individual email you want to analyze. Click on the subject line of the email to view its detailed statistics. On the Email Details page, you'll see several tabs. Click on the Open tab. This tab will display a list of all the leads who have opened this particular email. Voila! Here you can see exactly which leads opened your email, along with the date and time they opened it. This information is invaluable for prioritizing your follow-ups. Focus on these engaged leads to maximize your conversion rates. Now you can connect with the clients who engage with your Kvcore emails.